Hi guys, welcome back to Zero to Hero web design course. I'm excited, I'm happy the stage that we have in this course, and I believe that every step all the way you have been following through. Your sales page, your blog, you must be able at this point to create a sales page that convinces, a sales page that sells. And also at this point, you should be able to design a professional blog, just like what we did the last time. And I'm still expecting assignments from some of us. Please do these projects. These projects are, like I said earlier, web design is not something you do and you just keep somewhere and one day you take it up. You will forget everything. You have to keep working, do projects over and over again. In fact, if you can work for free, you can design websites for free for people. You will use those websites as your portfolio later. People need to see what you've done before. So just offer free jobs, do different jobs and all that, and it will be good for you. You understand? So I don't want to talk too much, because today we are going to be designing a professional company website. Any form of company, any company. If you are able to watch this video and you understand every bit of it, you'll be able to design any form of company website. Law firm, tech organization. So, it's all about the team, it's all about the templates. You understand? Now that's why WordPress is a very, very good one for some people that cannot go through the stress of coding and all that. You have teams for all this. You have teams for tech companies, teams for construction, templates for whatsoever industry that you have. All you need to do is get these templates, install them, import them on your own WordPress website, and all you need to do is edit them to your taste. Remove the images, put your own, edit the text, do some little things, colors and all that, and it becomes your own. So that is what we are going to be doing today. But first, I want to take you through the process of installing your WordPress again, so that you can see again in case you didn't understand the first time I did it. So I will go through it again, then we'll start from that point. So I will be logging in now to my cPanel. Then from there, I will install my WordPress. So now I'm on my cPanel, as you can see. So what we want to do now is to install WordPress. So you look around, you look for Softaculous app installer, and this is it right here, Softaculous apps installer. Then what you do is you open it. So it will bring you to this place, and you will see all the CMS. These are called CMS, content management system, and you can see that WordPress is the number one. Yes. So what you do is click on install. It's loading. So it will bring you here. It will bring you to this place. So this is where actually I want to explain again. I want you to be very attentive as I explain. You have the domain, the original domain is bmbstoresng.com, and I have a website, I have a WordPress website already installed on this domain. Let me show you. This is our e-commerce website, www.bmbstoresng.com. So this is it. This is our e-commerce website. If you see bmbstoresng.com, So this website is already installed on this. So if I now want to create another website, does it mean I will have to go and buy another domain? No. All I need to do is create this, install this new WordPress in this directory. So anything I put here now, let me put website. So the domain for this new WordPress, for this new website will now be bmbstoresng.com/website. That will be the domain name. I hope you understand. But if you want to install on this main domain, you want your domain name to be bmbstoresng.com. That means this, you won't put anything here, just leave it empty. So the website you want to build will bear this domain name. But peradventure you have already installed a WordPress and you have created a website on this domain name and you want to create a new one now, what you do is just create it indirectly, which means you will just type something here. So that means you are installing this new WordPress in directory, and the domain will now be bmbstoresng.com/website. I believe you understand now. So that is all you need to do. So you can have more than 4 websites on this single domain. All you need to do is create them in directory, and that will be all. So let's move forward. What is the name of the site name? The site name. I want to name it Digital Creative Concepts. The site description: digital marketing services. Let's leave it like that. Then you put your admin username and the password. Then you come down. Look around. Is there anything that I was supposed to put? The language is English. All saves. Then install. Then you put any email address you want to receive the details of installation. So you can put your email address and click on install. So it's installed. So finally, our WordPress has been installed. Can you see the URL now? bmbstoresng.com/website/wp-admin. So that will be your URL to log into your WordPress admin backend. So we want to log into our WordPress backend now. Copy the URL. I want to close this. So paste it and log in. So now it has brought us there. Now we will log in with our details. Yes, now we are logged on to our WordPress admin backend, and you can see everything is looking clean and fine. Do you understand? So what is the first thing that we are supposed to do when you log in to your admin backend like this? There are some settings that you need to check. There are some settings that you need to do. So what you do first is, I want you to click on users. Click on users, then you click on all users. Open it in a new tab. Okay, it's loading. So this you can see, or this is you. So if you want to add someone, you can add new. You can add new here, and you set the role. You set the, that's if you have someone that also wants to be managing the website. If you are not available, so you can add it there. So that's that about that one. Then you can, your own role, you can change one or two things there. You can edit your own stuff, you can edit it and all that. That's that. So you can also come here, you can edit your profile. So click on this. Let's see if you can edit your profile. Scroll down. Username is admin, nickname is admin. Let's just leave it like that. Display name publicly as admin. This is the email address. This is the URL. You can see. If you have a picture you want to put, you can add it. Then, if you want to set a new password, you can set it here. So that is that about. Then you click on update profile. You click here on update profile. That's that. Then the next thing is you come to settings. When you come to settings, then click on permalinks. It's loading. So when you come to permalinks, it's on day and name. It's on day and name. So the best thing is come here, click post, put it on post name, and that will be fine. Then click on save changes, because also we are going to be having a blog on this website. You know, it's a website, but we are going to have a menu for blog. So that's how it's going to be. So any post you create under that blog will look like this. The year will show this, so we don't want that. We just want it to be as simple as this. So that's why you click on post name. Then what next? I think that's all. Click on save changes. Then you go to settings again. Then you click on reading. Make sure you check all these things. They are very important. Click on reading. So you come to see your latest post, your home page display. That is what should display on your home page. This is a website, so your home page of your website should be the one to display. So that's why we are going to click on this. Do you understand? So home page. So we are still going to come back here to select one or two things here. No, we've not created anything. So by the time we create the menus, the home page, the service page, and all that, they will appear here, and we will make the home page to be the home page. You will see it when we start. Then the post page will be the blog that we are going to create. So just leave that there. Then you can set the blog pages, 10 posts. You can set it to the number that you want, and all that. Then this one, search engine visibility. If your own is checked, make sure you uncheck it. It says discourage search engine from indexing this site, and if you see that it's checked, make sure you uncheck it so that your site can be visible to search engines. Then what you do next, click on save changes. So now we've done the necessary check that we want to do. The next thing is to install a theme on our WordPress website. If you visit our website, bnbstores.com/website, you see that the website is live already. Digital Creative Concepts, that's the name of the website. Digital Marketing Services. You see Hello World and all that. So the website is live. So but what we'll start doing now is to start doing things that will make this page look more beautiful. So we need a template to save us of working from scratch, like I told you in some of our past videos. So we are going to install a template, and by the time we upload the template on this website, you will see how it will look. Then all we need to start doing is editing the template to suit whatever we want to do. So let's move back to our back end. And another thing I want you to know is, if you want to switch between the front end and the back end, just come and click here. Just click there to take you back. So it will take you back here. If you click this again, it will take you back to the back end. So that is that. So right now we want to go and install our theme or templates. So how do you do that? You come to appearance, then you click on themes, then you click on themes. So by default, this is what has been installed on the website. These are the default templates available. But this one, you can see that they are just ordinary templates. They can't work for us. They are not beautiful. So we need to install a new template. So you come here and click on add new. So when you click on add new, you come here and search for Astra. Astra is a popular theme, is a popular template that a lot of people are using today, and it's very popular. So that's why there are other ones. There's also Ocean WP. You can check it out. Ocean WP. Yes, you can check that one out. But Astra, that is what I want to use for this class. So what you do next is install. Click on install. So it's installing already. Now that it has been installed, the next thing is to click on activate. So it has been activated. It has now been activated. So if you want to check now, let's try and see how our website is looking now. You can see that it's looking different, though not still too good or not, but the layout and everything is different already. So but the next thing we want to do is we are going to select a particular template that we are going to import on this WordPress website. So follow me as we continue. So after the Astra theme has been activated, you will see this kind of pop-up. See, thank you for installing Astra. Did you know Astra comes with dozens of ready-to-use starter templates? Install the starter template plugin to get started. So what you do is you click on get started. In case you didn't see this pop-up, all you need to do is go to plugins, click on add new, then search for starter templates. Then you install and activate. You should be familiar with that at the moment. So but when you finish installing and you activate Astra, automatically it should bring up this. So the next thing is to click on get started. So after that, you'll be brought here. So it's saying select page builder. We offer starter template that can be imported in one click. These sites are available in the following page builders. Please choose your preferred page builder from the list below. The most popular one is Elementor, and that is what we are going to be using for this course. So click on Elementor. So now we're here. You can see different templates that you can choose for your work. You can see this is an e-commerce template you can use for e-commerce. So you can scroll down to look for the templates that you want. So I've picked this. I looked at it. It has all the necessary pages that I wanted: home, about, services, projects, contact, and all that. So this is okay and perfect for what we want to do. So the next thing you need to do is click on import complete site. If you want the home page alone, you click on this, but let's click on import complete site. So it will import all these pages. So let's do now. So to bring you here, you can just input whatever you want to input here, and then you go to here, you click on next. It's asking for my name. To get access to skip, it's importing. So imported successfully. Already the website imported successfully. If you want to check, you can click on this to see if it has been truly imported. So it's loading. Yes, so this is your website. It has totally been imported to your WordPress. So all we need to do now is to start editing this page. Do you understand? So let's see what to do now. So where do we start now? I think it's always good to start from top to bottom. Yes, top to bottom. I think it's always the best. So let's go. Click on edit with Elementor. So you'll be brought here. As you can see that the header is not showing, the menu, the home page, service and all that. You can't edit that there. I will show you how to edit that later. So let me show you something here now. So whatsoever you click here, there's a place to edit it here. So let's start our editing now. So if you click here, if you click this hamburger sign, this sign at the middle, click it. When you click on it, it will bring these boxes. It's showing layout, columns, height, vertical line and all that. And if you click on style, to bring you a place where you can actually change this image. So that's what we are going to do first. At least let our website carry a new look. So what to do is click on this. We want to change it to another image. So should we go from here? Let's go to our own image. Let's search for image in our own file. So I have my stock image somewhere. So these are my images. Let me try this. Digital marketing agency. So let's see if this picture fits into what. After uploading it, to show you insert media. Click on insert. So can you see? Can you see? Is it looking good? I think this is good, right? It's a digital marketing agency, and I think it's good for this page. So anything you do, you come here and click on update. So let's click on update. So I think the next thing is to edit this. Edit this right up. Yes, let's edit this right up. This one. Welcome to. What can I put there? So I think welcome to is still okay, but I think we should just increase the size to H2. You can see, okay, H3. H1 is the biggest and H6 is the smallest. So it's at the center already. It's good like that. So I think that's fine. Then assuming you want to make this welcome to a link now, all you just do is copy the link, put it here. That's how to make it a link. So but that's not a link. Let's continue. So we want to edit this serial natural path. Like I told you, anything you click here, automatically you can edit it on this page. So let's remove the serial natural pack. Our name is Digital Creative Concepts. Well, obviously you don't want it to fall to the second line like this, so that means we need to reduce it. This is H1. Let's reduce it to H2. I think this is good. So you make sure it's centralized. Then the next thing is what? Click on updates. Then this, if you want to change the colors of this stuff, all you need to do is come to style. When you come to style, you see text color, then you come here, you click on this. You know it's white, that's why it's showing this. So you come here, then you can change it to whatsoever you want it to be. It's on white, that's why it's there. So you can change it to red if you want it to be red. I think that white is great, so I leave it there as white. So let's leave that. If you want to change the typography is the font size, the font family. The font family is default, but let me see if there's going to be a better one. Let's see, Badana. You see, you change it a bit, then transform, uppercase, don't need that, style, normal italic. If you want to make it italic, you click on this and all that. Then decoration, you're still on typography. Decoration, if you click on this, if you want to underline it, you click on underline. You can see that it's underlined. I don't want it underlined, just put default. Then line height, if you want it to increase, see as I'm moving it, you can see that it's changing. But I don't want it to be too big. It's okay like that. Letter spacing, if you want space in between these letters, then you increase this. So I think that's good. Then click on update. Then if you want text shadow, you come here, you want text shadow. This is blur. Look at it. Is there any difference? You may not be able to notice any difference because of the image there. Let's see, let's try horizontal. You can see that movement, you can see movement. So just look around, see the one that you like. Vertical, you can see movement. I'm sure you can see it. Yes, so that's how it works. So I think we are good with that. So the next thing, go to advanced. You can see that this digital is more to the top. It's more to the top, so you can give it padding. This, see, bottom 25. You can also give him padding of top 25. No. That's 25, but I think it's even too, I don't like it. Let's go back, maybe 10. Let's also give bottom 10. So I think this is cool. Then you click on update. And saying motion effects, you just look around, look at what you can add, what you can remove. Saying background type, over, normal. You don't need any background for this text. You don't need any background for it. Border, you don't need that. So let us move on. Let's move on to the next thing. So the next thing, we'll now scroll down. This button, the button says learn more. So learn more should be, maybe let's edit this button. So you can see now it's showing you button. So the type of button is default. We can give it a, let's look at the different button. Info is showing blue, We change it to success, it's showing green. Warning, it's showing this. Danger, showing red. So it depends on what you want. So let's say let's change it to this. That's blue because of the nature of, maybe because of the color of this image. So let's change it to blue. So the saying learn more, maybe you can say yes, we can do learn more. You can leave it as learn more. Then you link it to maybe our service page. So we go to our service page to link this button. So just come here, copy, this is the service page, copy the link, come here and put it, insert it in this place, and you click on updates. So the size of the is small, you can click on medium to make it bigger, but I think small is okay. Then icon, don't need an icon there, spacing and all that, just click on updates. So what is the next thing that we need to do? I think we are good with that. The next thing is come to this place. I said we are doing from top to bottom. This is about us page. This is too small, we can increase it. Let's go now. So can increase it on this side. It's H5, you can put it on maybe H4. I think it's bigger now, or we should make it H3. Yeah, I think that's okay. So let's work on this also. One touch of nature. This is a digital marketing agency. Come. We are the best digital. So you can make sure it's centralized. You can highlight it, make sure it's centralized. So that's that. Then what else do we need to do here? This one too, you can change them. Click any button to change this. So whatever you want to put there, you can put it there. Whatever you want to put there, you can also click on this. Whatever you want to put there, you can put it there. So I don't need to be going through all that. So just remove this and put whatever you want to put there. So this button also, this is another button. You click on it. So you can change it to info. That the first one is blue, so you can change it to blue. Learn more. So learn more, obviously you are going to link this one to the about us page. So come here, look for click on the about us page so that you can copy the link. So this is the about us page. Then we remove this hash, then put the link there. Then the size of this one is small. Icon, assuming you want to put icon, all you need to do is come to this place. That's where the icon library is, so we don't need icon for that. So click on updates. So let's try and see how our website is looking. Let's go to the home. We are still editing the home page. So we are editing the home page. So let's look. So this is our home page. You can see this image is looking very, very nice. So this place now is the next thing we are doing. Then we have projects. Then we have edits to change this. So let's move now. Let's continue. So here we work on this place. but this one project is going to be on the menu, so I think we should just delete it. Let's delete it. So you click on that to delete that. This is the footer, we have to leave that, and this one we need to leave it. It's a call to action button. So this place now, I think we should bring in something that we talked about, that sell our services. No, not our services per se, something that differentiates you from your competitors. Do you understand? Maybe your service is fast, maybe your customers, they will enjoy return on investment, good return on investment. And the third one, maybe what could that one be? So, but let's just continue first. Maybe I will remember what I'm going to put there. So if you look at this, if you want to add another section before this one, all you need to click is click on this plus sign. So click on it, so it will bring this. So you will click on this to add new section. So you want to add 3 more sections, so you can click on 3. So if you look at it now, it has been added. You can see that this has been added. This has been added. So what we need to do now is look for an icon box. What you do is come here, come to this place. This is where all this target is. So look for icon box. This icon box. So you drag it into each of them. That's that. Then you can just duplicate. Okay, let's just work on this one first. So after working on one, then we'll duplicate it, put it on the other. So we have this icon there already. So what are we going to do here now? If you look at this icon is touching the top of this place. I think we need to give a little bit of padding there. Then at the bottom, let's give also a little bit of padding. So you select this, then you come to style, okay, let's move to advanced. So this is where you do that. So we need padding there, padding top. At the top here we need a little bit of padding, so we can make this, let's say 10. You can see that this has dropped a bit. Then we need padding bottom, so that there could be space at the bottom here. So it's 10 also. So you can see that there is now space at the top and at the bottom. So you can update. Make sure anything you are doing, make sure you are updating it. It's very, very important. Then we can make this box more beautiful. I think we can make it more beautiful. So let's click on advanced. We have margin, padding. This is there already. The margin is this space. The space between this and the next this thing. That's the margin. And the space between this and this. So we don't need to do anything there for now. Then scroll down to border. We can make that thing a bit beautiful. This thing, let's make it a bit beautiful. Just say the width of the border, let's make it how thick the border is going to make it. Let's say 5. Let's say 5. So you see now. Then border radius, maybe we should make it rounded a bit. That's what it means. 5. You can see that the edge is now rounded. If you want to see it very well, you can make it 10. You can see that the edge is rounded. So I think we are okay with that. Good to go with that. I think that's fine. So the next thing is we copy. You can duplicate this. Duplicate 1. Duplicate again. So we have 3 of it now. So just drag this one here. Then the last one, drag it here. So now we have this. Yeah. So what are we going to do now? We need to change these ones to other things. I think the last time we changed it to affordable. Affordable service. Then this one to, like I said, you can also change it to ROI, return on investment, ROI. Do you understand? So let's change the icon for this affordable service. So let's look at something that has to do with money. So that will stand for affordable. So insert. So I think that's good. Then this one, ROI, return on investment. I think we still have to use something that has to do with money. So look for another icon that has to do with money. Once just search for money, you will see different ones. So let's use this one. That's $sign. So I think we are fine. We are good to go. So I think the next thing is there's a space here. We also need a space in between the two of them. So let's click on this. Then go to advanced. What we need is margin. All we need is a margin. We need a margin. Let's see margin top. Let's see what happens. Then can you see that drop down? So let's do 30. Can you see? Let's do 50. Let's do 60. Let's do 80. Okay. Oh, I think we should do 100. So I think that's good. So now we have a space here and we have space here, but I think it's not equal. Let's do 120. So now there's space here, there's space here. So let's move. So the next thing is, I think we should just put like a video background here. Then we'll now put a testimonial on it. A video background, then we put a testimonial. So what we'll do is, let's delete this one. Let's delete this. It has been deleted. So on this one, you click on this. Let me bring the testimonial in first. So let's bring the testimonial in first. To do that, you click on this. This is where it's called widgets. Click on it and you search for testimonial. So this is a testimonial. This one is a pro version. That's why you are saying padlock here. So you have to pay for pro version before you can use this. So but this one is the free version. Drag it in. When you see that blue stuff, then you release it. So the testimonial is there already. The text is black. That's why we're not saying it. So let's give it a white background so that we can see it well. So to change the background, you come to advanced. Then you move to background. Click on background. So the background, click on normal. So the background now, background type, you click on this. So it's saying color, background color. We need to give it a color now. So let's see. I think white will be the best. So everybody knows that white background is FFF. So that's white for you. So that's that. So I think you can see it now. So another thing you need to do is you need to change this image. There's no image here. You need to change it, and that is what you have here. So to change that, click on this. Then you go to your library. to pick image, or maybe I can just pick anyone here. Okay, these ones are not too good. Let me pick one in my stock photos. Okay, let me use this professional. So it's uploading. So I click on insert media, so automatically, oh no, we're actually putting that image as the background. We don't need that actually. So that's not what we want. So come here to delete it. So it has been deleted. Is this one that I want to change? So we go back to content. So this is, so for this image now, this is where the image is. So let's click. We've uploaded the picture already, so just select the picture, then you come to this. So can you see now that this has been changed? If you want to change the name John Doe, maybe the old name is John Fash. Sorry, John Fash. So the size, full size, or maybe let's say thumbnail. Use thumbnail. Thumbnail is still almost the same thing. So John Fash design. If you want to change this designation, this one, maybe businessman. So that's that. So you click on update to update that. So another thing that I told you that we should do is, let's change this. Let's make it let's make this background a video background, so as people are checking this testimonial, they are watching video automatically. So click on this to change that background. Click on that, come to this place. So this is that image. So I want us to change it to a video. So this is the video icon. Click on this. So we want to put a YouTube link there. So you copy the YouTube link of the video you want, then you come and paste it here. So let's go to YouTube. Let's look for the video. YouTube. So you can just look for any drone footage, that is showing the space or anything. Just look for a drone footage. It's always looking good in a situation like this. So let me search for drone footage. So it will bring us some videos. Okay, look at this. Maybe Caribbean. Or maybe let's look at drone footage Africa. So what we do is just copy the URL, then we'll come back to our design, and you place the URL there. Can you see now? So automatically the YouTube video should come up. So we can put start time maybe from 2 seconds, from 3 seconds to maybe 10 seconds. 2 seconds to 10 seconds. Then we click on not play ones. Should play on mobile. What else can we add? So what what else can we do is like the video is looking dark, so to make it a bit lighter, let's look at the background overlay. Click on background overlay. Now background overlay. I'm looking at opacity. Come and look at opacity, so you can make it lighter here. Can you see? Can you see now? So I think we're good like this, or we can reduce it more. So I think this is good. Then you can click on update. Click on update. So I think we are moving. So are you excited what you are seeing? So when your customers or your website visitors are watching, they are reading this testimonial, it's not boring to them and they are saying all this. So that is that. So let's move down. This is a call to action button. This place, I think this place we're having too much of lemon. Let's change this one to contact us. So it will be linked to the contact us page. Let me see. The contact us page is there. So you copy the contact us link, that page, the page for the contact us, you copy it and you put that. And also I think we want to change the tag to info. Let's have blue all through. So that is that. What else do we need to do? I think we need to change this. I want us to change this one to one line. I don't want it on that. Click edit button to change the text there. Okay. So what can we type here? Click here to get started with us. Click here to get started with us, and I think that's good. So the next thing after that will be okay, I think I should increase the fonts. Let me increase the fonts to maybe H6. Sorry, H1. That's too big. H2. Okay, I think that's good. That's good enough. So the last thing will be this one, and we will come back. We'll come back to this. So update. So now we are through with the home page. Just this footer alone as remain. So let's try and see how our website looks like. So I think we should give this like a background color, but first of all let's separate it from this top. So click on this place and advance. Let's give it a margin of 120. So that's that. So what else can we do? I want to give this like a background. So scroll down, come in, click on style. No, talking about this. So this background type, let's choose gradient. So for gradient, it means you have two colors, two variable colors. You know, you are varying between two colors, and that's why you can see here. You can see second color. You can see this is the first one. So we are varying between white and red. I don't think I like that. Let me see. Okay, black and this. How about turquoise? Okay, so I think this is it. Let's look at the angle. Let's do at maybe 260. Do you like this? Or do you like this? Okay, I think this is nice. So let's do it like that. Then click on updates. So I think since we've achieved this, but I'm thinking that maybe we should close this one to make it more bigger. I don't know if I use H1, let me go to start. Lock size. Yes. I think I like it like this. It's okay like this. Oh, okay, this is good. Click on updates. So the next thing is I want to work on the header. The header, but we can't do it from here. So we have to do it from that other page, from this other page. That's where we're going to work on the header. But let's refresh our page and see what we've been able to do for the past 56 minutes. For the past 56 minutes, let's see what we've been able to achieve. I love this image. I love it. It's looking good. It's looking great. So this is the about us. And another thing you can do is to put two sections there. The article will be here and another image will be here, and this, but it's okay like this. Then I love this. Affordable, I love this. Then this one is good. People are watching they are reading your testimonial and they are watching a video background. That's fine. That's nice. So then click here to get started. So let's work on this menu, and let's change this logo. So to do that, what you do is click on customize. To work on the header, click on customize. So it's loading. So when it brings you here, when you mount cursor on this, you will see that it's showing you that you can edit. This one is edit. If you mount cursor on this, it's showing you that you can edit this menu. So let's work on this first. So click on this. So I've clicked on that. It's saying, okay, this is a transparent header. Enable complete websites, yes. Enable on desktop plus mobile, yes. Different logo for transparent header. Different logo for transparent header. Okay, so this is the logo now. You can change the logo. So what can we do now? What you need to do is remove this and change it with, or change. Click on change. So you bring in your own logo. Let me go to where my own logo is. Fast. The logo has been uploaded. Click on choose image. So the logo should come up here right away. Can you see now? My logo is now here. So that is that. So now I will show you how to remove a page and how to add a page on this menu. So what you need to do is, we are going to be doing that on the WordPress backend. That is where our pages are being created. So go back to WordPress backend. Click on this to go back to your WordPress backend. So you come to appearance, then you click on menu. Let me open it in another tab. Appearance and menu. So now this is the menu. So this is the menu, the primary menu. You change this to primary menu. Then you click on select. So it will bring all the menus that we have on the home page. Can you see now? Home, about, services, project, contacts, and that's what we have there. So if you want to remove anyone, I want to remove the project page. So you just click on this drop down, then you click on remove, then you click on save menu. Click on save menu. So if you come here now and you click on this, you will see that the project menu has been deleted. Can you see now? So we can also add another menu to this place. How are you going to do that? So let me show you that, so that I want to close this video very soon. So let me just do that, then we'll close this video, then we'll continue in the next video. So let me show you how to add a blog post. You know, this website can have a blog post, so you can have something like a blog post here. So when people click the blog menu, it will show all your blog posts. So you don't need to have a separate website for a blog. So that is that. So let's create like 2 blog posts, then we'll now bring them to this place. So you go to your back end, you click on post, click on add new, fast, on add new. So this is the post page. So all you do is let's add title. Let's add title. Let's do SEO for smart business. So that's the title of the blog. Then you need to add content. So let's just use this one as content. Content. So this is the content. So if you come to click on post there, you can add images, you can customizer settings, post attribution, like that. So you can click on publish. Then click on publish again. So now we have a blog post. Do you understand? Now we have a blog post. So what we'll do is, if you look at this place, though we have a blog post, but there is no way our website visitors can access the blog. So the blog has to be somewhere on this page, so that somebody can click it and read our blog post. So what are you going to do now? So the next thing you need to do is you go back to your admin backend. So we are going to create a page named blog. We are going to create a page called blog. Do you understand? So let me show you something. So all these menu you are seeing here, they are pages. They are pages. So all those pages were created. So for us to put a page that is called blog here, we need to create a page. So now let's create a page called blog. So I want to do that now. So come here, click on add new page. Fast. So you call the page title blog. Call it blog. So you don't need to do anything on that page. Just click on publish, then publish again. That's all we need for that. So for us to add this page to the menu, we'll go back to appearance. Go back to appearance. So you go back to our WordPress admin backend. Let me close this. I'm going back to backend. So you want to add the blog page that we just created. You want to add it as a menu so that it can appear at the menu top on the page. So come to appearance, come to menu, so on the primary menu now you can see what we have there. So it's saying add menu, so let's search for, can you see now we have blog there now. So click on blog, then you click on add to menu. So you can see that blog has been added there. So you click on save. So let's go and check it if the blog has been added to the menu. So now we have a blog and it has been added to the menu. But another problem is the blog we created is supposed to be showing when we click on this blog. But let's see if it's there. Can you see? Nothing is there. Nothing is showing. Nothing. So what we need to do is we need to go back to the first thing I was showing in the morning. We need to set the post page to be as blog. So let me show you now how to do that. We'll go back to our WordPress admin backend. So we'll come to settings, then we'll go to reading. So I said you select static page, then you make sure home is home, then post page, that is the post we've created, on which page will it appear, then we select blog, then you save changes. So let's see now if the post is now showing on the blog page. So let's click on blog. Can you see now that our post is now showing on this page? SEO for smart business, blah 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 blah. So I will still show you how we are going to change the logo on this particular page and every other thing. Do you understand? So this is where I'm going to stop this video. In the next video we'll talk on how to edit the about page, how to edit the service page, how to edit the contact page, and this one we will also edit it. Maybe we'll make this one contact, we'll remove contact from there, then we'll make this one a contact page. So that will be all on this video. I believe you are excited about what we've been able to achieve in like an hour and 8 minutes ago. So thank you very much. I will see you in the next video.